Sam Raskin with the Department of Energy is going to talk to us a little bit about a new website that they've developed.
It's actually a new web tool. DOE's had websites for many years, and the new web tool is the Building America Solution Center. And what's amazing about the Solution Center is it's almost a revolutionary change in how amazing content from the nation's hub of innovation gets to industry. It's no longer fixed content that gets out of date, content that's hard to find, hard to access, hard to make personal for your own needs. This new Solution Center transforms all of that. You get exactly what you need in seconds. You get information that's always updated, that's also part of a community of users who add to it and enhance it and make it better, and sometimes will even correct it. So this is an amazing paradigm shift in how information gets from an amazing program for innovation to the market.
Yeah, I was fascinated by it because, you know, it's so difficult to a national website when there's different best practices in each of the climate zones, and you've got some vetting. How many uploads would you say you've gotten so far from the?
Well, the 20,000 users a month going to the site now, but if I could just make an analogy to a child growing up,
right.
It's barely an infant. It was just launched last year.
Right.
And what was developed was a key engine, which is a large database for the tool itself,
right.
And the initial interface, which was geared for Energy Star for home. So version 3 would automatically have a solution to get content to their thousands of partners in that program.
Right.
Now we're adding the Challenge Home interface. We'll be adding the Existing Homes interface. And the most important thing is that the Building America research teams, 10 contractors developing amazing pipeline of innovations, every single document that they produce now in real time will be able to get into the Solution Center and update things that need to be updated and add where we have gaps in the content of the tool itself.
That's a wonderful thing. And anybody can then access this, even if they have a tablet with internet access, and they can get right on and show their subs, so on.
Anyone can access with a desktop, with their tablets, mobile devices. What's coming this year will be the ability to have your own personal app where you can actually upload your personal customized packages of information.
Like a favorite section for the
Well, let's
site.
say you develop a set of field images for builders so that they see, so their contract crews have the
Right.
information how to do a correct install. You can go in the field with or without access to any wires or internet. It saves all your content and you can bring it to the field. Or you go into a code official and you want to show them 10 case studies that show that ventless crawl spaces are done all over the country and in their own climate, and you pull them up, and so you don't have to worry about getting to the web and making connections. You have your own personal content by project, as many projects as you want.
And it's already got cachet because it's coming from the DOE.
It's a very important fact that it's tied to a national voice of authority, U.S. Department of Energy.
That's great. Sam, thank you very much for taking the time with us today.
Glad to help out.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.